How to blur video in CapCut.
Let me drag and drop into timeline. Now see, there is effects button. I clicked it. Search for blur. Then enter. You will see blur here. You can click the plus button or drag and drop. Let me drag and drop. So now you see this part is blur.
This part is unblur.
How to blur the face in CapCut.
Let me click plus or drag and drop into timeline. Go to effects button here. Here you see two things, video effect and body effect. Video effect for whole video, body effect for only character, like this gentleman. So I'll go to body effect. I'll blur only the face. I'll write blur here and then enter. You will see this face mosaic. I'll just drag and drop it here. Now if you see this gentleman's face is blurred, let me
Welcome to my drawing room. As you can see.
Let me mute it. See, after this part, it's unblur. This part is blur.
How to blur background only in CapCut.
Now we'll blur only background, not this gentleman. I'll go to effect again. I'll search for, there are different blur effects. I'll search for spot blur. This is spot blur. I'll just drag and drop it here. Now you see background is blurred. You can increase strength here or decrease. See, if I decrease to 0, now background you are able to see it. I'm increasing, so background got blurred. Now background got blurred. I'll show you only face of this gentleman is unblurred. Entire all background, everything is blurred. Okay. So go to again here, just search for blur. I'll move it here. Okay. Now you see there is everything got blurred. Then I'll go to media again. I have this clip. I'll drag and drop it here. Okay. Now there is one clip, is blurred clip below. Top one is unblurred. So I will click top one. Then right side I will go to mask, video, then click mask. I will click add mask. Okay. I will click rectangle. So now I just want this part is unblurred and all other things are blurred. Okay. So if I play this video, you will see only this part is unblurred, other part is blurred.
How to freeze frame in CapCut.
I'll click create project. I'll import one tiger is running video. Let me drag and drop it here. Let me play it. While jumping, I want to freeze it for some time. So here, if you see this is freeze, I'll just click here, freeze button. So now, if you see this part got freezed, this is separate part, this is separate part. It's created new part which is freezed. Okay. So now I'll just play it again for you. See, it's freezed. Okay.
How to reverse a video on CapCut.
Now I'll show how to reverse. I'll go same. If you see reverse button. I'll just click reverse. Okay, it will take some time to have the effect. If I play, it will go reverse. Okay, see now tiger is going reverse.
How to flip video in CapCut.
Now I will show mirror. I'll click the mirror. Okay. Now you see tiger is facing toward left. Earlier it was facing toward right. So when I clicked mirror, it is flipped the video. Just mirrored. I'll click again mirror. It will come to the same position.
How to make horizontal video vertical in CapCut.
Now I'll click rotate. Okay. So now we'll see it's now you see horizontal video turn to vertical.
How to crop video in CapCut.
I will add this video into timeline. There are two rabbits. I'll use crop to remove one. Okay. So let me click this. Here if you see there is crop button. I just clicked it. Now for example I want one rabbit. Just clicked confirmed. Now you will see there is one rabbit here. Okay. I'll add tiger on top of this. Okay. I'll click again crop. Okay. I will have half part here. Okay. Just click confirm. Now I will match it somehow. Okay. Okay. Now I'll play the video. See, here tiger is running. Left side there is rabbit.
How to speed up a video on CapCut.
Let me click the plus button. I'll play the video. Now observe the speed. Now I will increase the speed. Click here. Go to right side. You will see there is speed button. Here you can increase 1x, 2x. By default it is 1x. I'll just increase to 10x. Now I'll play the video. Now see, this got increased to 10x. I'll increase to 2x. Let me play.
How to do slow motion in CapCut.
How to slow the video. It is 1x. Let's play it. I'll reduce the speed. This is speed. I'll reduce to 0.29 or 3. Let me play. See, now it is slow. You can click the curve. Let me click this one. Okay. I'll just okay. Now let me play. I'll reduce speed here. Initially it will be slow, then speed up. Here again I'll make it slow. Okay. Let me play the video. So see, initially it is slow. Okay. Then it will very fast. Then again it will slow. See, it's very fast. Then again it is slow. So you can use the curve and you can do this kind of things.